Shenali, are you ready to play for us? Shenali is only 7, but look at how pretty she looks. Is there a name to your song?
Puff the Magic Dragon by Peter Yarrow and Star Wars by Darth Vader. Okay, I don't know.
That's a good way to do it. Oh, that's perfect. You are perfect. Okay, you go up those steps, get yourself comfortable up there, and Nancy will get you started. Nancy Nelson's up here helping now. She was running the parade earlier, so she couldn't be here when we started, but we can't do this show without Nancy. Shenali is from Austin. She's 7 years old, and she went up and tried the piano and said it would work out just fine. Very good. Thank you. Come back down here. I wanted to ask you another question, so come back. That's a girl. While she's coming over here, we should tell Olivia Stevens to get ready. Where is Olivia? You know, I think there's something happened. I don't believe Olivia is here. How long have you been taking lessons?
I think about like 2 years ago.
Well, you do very well. I think very well. Let's give her another big hand, and I want you to come back next year, okay? All right.
I think I will.
It's a date. Thank you.